Here's my irrational fear about Home Depot. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda out here. It's raining, and I'm about to go into Home Depot because I have this bolt, and I need to match it up so that I can finish my project. So I need a few more of these bolts. But my irrational fear is going into Home Depot with a bolt that I already own to match it up to other bolts to buy 3 bolts. And then I feel like someone's going to see me with the bolt that I brought in and be like, hey, you didn't pay for that bolt. Or the cashier's going to be like, oh, so 4 bolts? And I'll be like, no, just 3. This one I brought. And so that's my irrational fear, is that someone's going to accuse me of stealing when I brought in my own bolt. That's it. What's your irrational fear? Peter Von Panda. Out.